Sneaker Peeps, this is Kristen. In this box is my order from Remix Custom Kicks, where I had them customize my Air Max Tailwind 6s. I had a design session with Katrina, the mastermind, and during that session I said I want these sneakers to explode. Let's dive in. Okay. This nice. What is in the box? Woo! A keychain. I'm excited. Thank you for your order. Yes. Okay. So let me take them out. Check this out. Do you see the effects? That burnt red, that yellow mix. The lining inside is black. The base is black. Same with the white laces. Black, yellow, red. It gives a Remix Blaze look about it. These are straight fire. I look forward to rocking these. Go Kicks, new look.